Quick and delicious chicken and rice made with Quốc Việt Foods chicken flavored soup base. Keep watching to see how we make it. Pause the screen here if you want to get a screenshot of all the ingredients we're using today. But the main ingredient and star of this recipe is going to be our Cot Sup Ga. First, boil 5 cups of water in a pot. Then mash 3 medium shallots and prepare 3 to 4 ginger slices. Add the mashed shallots and slices of ginger into the simmering water with 3 tablespoons of Quốc Việt Foods Cot Sup Ga or chicken flavored soup base. After adding the soup base, you want to put the lid on the pot and bring it to a boil. Prepare 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs and add them to the boiling pot. Optional, you can add turmeric like we did to add some color. After cooking the chicken for 10 minutes, turn off the heat and let it sit for an additional 20 minutes with the lid on. Remove the chicken after sitting for 20 minutes and place it into a nice ice bath. As for the precious broth, strain it and keep it. We will be using it to cook the rice in a little bit. Now we're going to prepare the rice. Rinse the rice in a sieve to clean, stirring with your fingers until the liquid runs mostly clear. Once clean, strain it and allow the rice to dry. Then you're going to heat up 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot and add the minced garlic as well as your minced ginger. Saute the ginger and garlic in the hot oil and then add your cleaned and dry rice. Then add 2 tablespoons of Quốc Việt Foods chicken flavored soup base. On low heat, cook the rice until it's no longer translucent. Then add 5 cups of the chicken broth from earlier. Cook on medium heat. Make sure to gently stir the rice as to not break the rice grains. Mix everything together very well as you add these ingredients. Once the rice has absorbed most of the stock, cook the rice on low. It should be fluffy and delicious just like this. By now, the chicken should be cool enough to slice, and all that's left to do is assemble, plate, and serve. Just like that, we have a delicious, healthy, and nutritious meal. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.